Warning: to avoid fire, shock, or death, turn off power at circuit breaker or fuse and test that power is off before wiring.
One of the other products we'll be wiring up is a smart wallbox sensor. This one is an ODD10-IDW, so it is also 0 to 10 volt dimming. This is a line voltage product, so you will connect it directly to your incoming power source. It has a load line going out to the light fixture, and then your low voltage control lines, which will also go to the dimming inputs in the fixture driver. The sensor cover can be removed, which exposes a couple of buttons underneath that can be used for programming as well. You can also do programming using the Smart Sensor app. And what we're going to do is just wire up one of our wallbox aux sensors to a light fixture, and we'll need our power cord as well too. This one's going to be pretty basic. So on the wallbox aux sensor, we've got the black wire, which is our line voltage incoming. We've got a green for ground, white for neutral, our two control lines, which is purple or violet for positive and pink for negative. And then we've got our load output, which is going to be the line voltage in to our fixture. So let's go ahead and wire it up here. First, I'll just connect ground to ground with our main line voltage coming in. I'm going to connect black to our line voltage input product, our line there. White is going to go to neutral. Now we're also going to tie in the neutral from the light fixture too, because as you recall, neutrals always all tie together. Close those up, and now we can take our load out and tie that to the line voltage in to the fixture. So we'll put a Wago connector on there. I'll just kind of clean these wires up a bit here, make them nice and tight. And then our blue wire from the wallbox aux sensor. Now this is a 0 to 10 volt dimming product, so we will connect that to our low voltage control wires here. So pink to pink, purple to purple. So I've got everything in. So again, just want to check that all of our terminations are nice and solid here before we plug anything in. Looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. And we'll see the light come on. Now we can go ahead and turn the light on or off with our sensor, and we can also dim all the way down. You can see the light level change on our lighting indicator on the left. And you can also see the light dimming down here, and it'll dim all the way to off. One dim up will turn it back on to the min dim level. And you can go all the way back on to full, turn it on or off. So a pretty easy setup with this one. That's why wallbox sensors are just one of the most popular sensors out there. In place of a switch or dimmer, you can add a wallbox aux sensor, and you now have code compliancy for automatic shutoff, manual space control, and then in the case of our dimming models, you can also do multi-level lighting control, because these can be programmed for partial on and partial off.